Let's go ahead and add services to your Treehouse account. First, from the dashboard, you're going to navigate to the Services tab on the left-hand sidebar, which will then open up the Services page. You can go ahead and then actively add services or view and edit any services that you already have listed if you have previously added any. To add a service, you're going to click on the Add Service button, which will then open up the right side panel, giving you access to add the new service. You can go ahead and add in the service name. For example, we're going to call this Baby Sleep Session 1. You can add any description in here. You can also go ahead and add the duration of this appointment. So please keep in mind that when you add in the duration, this is the amount of time that will be blocked off in your calendar if you decide to enable online booking for clients. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave this service at 60 minutes. I'm going to mark it as a paid service because I do charge a fee for this service. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to add $100 into the price section. You can then go ahead and select what providers in your clinic offer this service. Add or upload an image. This can be a URL image. The best practice for this is adding an image to a Google Drive, for example, copying the URL link for that image and pasting it in the image box. Next, we are going to select if we're going to publish this service. Essentially, this means that you're going to be displaying this service on the Community Hub and for online booking. So if you click yes, clients and potential clients are able to see this in the Treehouse Hub, and they can also book appointments online for this service if you enable it. Awesome. You can see that the service has been added. And then you can go ahead and you can always go back, click on that service and edit it if need be. Additionally, if you no longer offer a service that you have listed, you can go ahead and mark that as inactive. To mark it as inactive, under the action section, you can click on that little box with an arrow. So in this example, let's click on that group call and make it inactive. This will then bump that service to the inactive section, which you can click on Show Inactive Services, and it will show up there. You can also, from the action section, click on that box with the arrow to view what that service looks like on your profile in the Clinic Hub. To learn more about adding services to Treehouse, you can contact our support team.